This video is made only for educational purposes. No stock ETF should be bought without advice from your investment advisor. Company profile: Heranba Industries Limited. Incorporated in 1992, Heranba Industries Limited is a Gujarat-based crop protection chemical manufacturer. The company manufactures different types of pesticides, including insecticides, fungicides, herbicides, and other pest control products. Share price metrics: Heranba Industries Limited has a market cap of 2,729 crore. Agrochemical companies' share prices have been outperforming. However, Heranba Industries Limited share price has been muted. Heranba Industries Limited shares are currently quoting 682 rupees. Heranba Industries Limited came out with an IPO in March 2021 at a price of 627 per share. The IPO was oversubscribed by 83 times. Present market price is just 9% above the IPO price. The company's EPS is 38 rupees 54 pice. The current market price discounts the EPS by 17.75 times. The company shares quotes at a lower PE multiple of 17.75 times compared to agrochemical industry average PE multiple of 30 to 40 times. The early low and high price range of Heranba Industries share is 602 rupees and 945 rupees. Current stock price of 682 rupees quotes at 4.5 times of book value. Operating parameters: the financial parameters of Heranba Industries are sound. Heranba Industries has a sound operating profit margin of 38% in FY 2021. Return on equity is good at 36.33%. Return on capital employed is also good at 45.35%. Book value per share is 143 rupee 83 pice. Heranba Industries has a debt of 50 crore only. Financials: Heranba Industries Limited profit and loss account. Peer comparison with peer companies. Investment rationale: market price is near to IPO price. Low PE stock among agrochemical companies. Accumulate Heranba Industries Limited for long term. Please subscribe our channel, give a like, leave a comment, share